Hey there again, this is Gina Jet back here with reason number 3 why private makeup lessons are so much more effective than YouTube videos. And the third reason is because makeup is a step process and it goes in a specific order and it goes in a linear kind of fashion. And there's a lot of steps. And so for you to find a video for every single step of the process is going to be very confusing and it's going to be very conflicting because nobody has just one long video that covers the entire step process from beginning to end. You're going to have to find a lot of different videos and stitch them together and try to figure out if they're conflicting information with each other and if they actually contradict one another, which happens quite a bit. When you're doing a private lesson, everything is all in order, A to Z, right then and there, right on the spot with the same person. And all of the questions and all of the solutions are presented in that order. So that's reason number 3. Come back here for reason number 4 and 5. Bye-bye.